Well, gee, looks like I, a Confederate soldier, am all out of gunpowder, and those dang Union soldiers are charging straight at me. Ah! Hey, you, put up your gun. Oh, it don't matter anyhow. I'm all out of gunpowder anyway. Well, that's a right shame. Let me help you out, but only if you can answer my 3 questions about gunpowder. Isn't that, isn't that a bit weird? No one asked you. Question 1. What is the reaction of gunpowder? Explain it. Well, okay. Gunpowder combustion is when potassium nitrate, that's part of gunpowder by the way, you basically decompose it to provide oxygen for the burning of carbon, another important component of gunpowder, and the sulfur lowers the ignition temperature of the carbon. Sulfur is also in gunpowder, in case you were wondering. Not bad. Next one. What are the 3 elements in gunpowder used for in general? That'd be potassium nitrate, sulfur, and carbon. Well, carbon is obviously in coal and diamonds. Easy one. Potassium nitrate, sometimes used as fertilizer. And sulfur is an essential part in most living beings in general. Hey, you're not bad at this. Next, why is gunpowder important to life? Gunpowder is important to life because it allowed us, as humans, not rocks, humans, to establish our dominance over nature and its predators, which allowed us to become more sophisticated and, I guess, fight each other for no good reason. Says a lot about us. Anyway, here's your gunpowder. Thanks. See you later.
Oh my god, are you okay?
I need a cast, please.
You do not need a cast. You broke your leg. You don't need a cast. What this? Young lady, she just broke her leg. She does not need a cast. Well, she needs ibuprofen. Ibuprofen contains oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. These 3 things are essential to life and to the body. Oxygen, for example. Are you okay? No, you're not okay. Here. Found in any pharmacy, for example, CVS. Here you go.
Thank you.
She will feel better. Like I was saying, these 3 things are essential to life. Oxygen just helps you breathe and helps you live. And so, if your brain goes 5 minutes without oxygen, you will be brain dead. And hydrogen and carbon are things that are in plants, that are in your body, that make up this world and the world that we have and the people that we have around us. So, see, she's standing up again. Wow. Ibuprofen is truly worth having at your home. Ibuprofen helps with many pains and it's an anti-inflammatory product. So her leg is probably gonna get swollen in a little bit, but I bet you that since she took ibuprofen, it will help the swelling. It might not take it fully away, but it's gonna put it down, and it's not gonna be as bad as it would be without ibuprofen. Ibuprofen helps with headaches, muscle pains, stomach aches, toothaches, menstrual cramps, and it's just a substance that you should have in your home, because people get home from work and from school and they have stress, they have headaches. Kids from DBS, me, just comes home with stress and with headaches, and what do I need for that? It's ibuprofen, and ibuprofen is just something that's part of my life.
Same.
Thanks. I bet you everybody at one point in their life they have taken ibuprofen for some sort of reason. Either toothaches, like I said before, headaches, muscle pains, stomach aches, or if for fevers, because it also helps with fevers. So if you have a cold, if you take ibuprofen, it's probably going to help you and it's going to lower it down. Ibuprofen is a reaction that contains what I said, the 3 elements. It's a reaction that is helpful due to the pain reliever, and is just something that I feel I am thankful for having, and this young lady has been cured because of ibuprofen. So make sure that next time you're at CVS or at any pharmacy nearby you, buy Advil or more. I'm sorry, I can't talk. Buy Advil. It has ibuprofen. Bye, people.
Is there a car? No.
Keflexin is the name of the medicine. It's called Keflex for short, just so you know. The chemical formula C16H17N3O4S stands for carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. Carbon can be used as a fuel in the form of coal or even be a big shiny diamond, but the reason it's so important is because it's the building block of all life on Earth. And even though liquid hydrogen is used as rocket fuel or used in a hydrogen economy, it's important because they form short-lived and easy connections. Nitrogen is used for ammonia and fertilizers that are vital for food productions, but it's so important because it's essential to growth and reproduction. Then oxygen is used for removing impurities or plant respiration, but most importantly it helps sustain us and destroys harmful bacteria while saving us. Sulfur is used in lead-acid batteries for automotive use or in gunpowder, detergents, but most importantly, it is a vital element for all life forms, as it is a component of 2 amino acids, cytosine and methionine. But when you combine all of these elements, you get the antibiotic Keflexin. What occurs inside when digested is the Keflex binds to and it activates the PDPs, located on the inner membrane of the bacteria cell wall, which is involved in the final stages of assembling the cell wall. Its inactivation of PDPs interferes with the peptidoglycan change, resulting in weakening the cell wall, causing cell lysis, meaning the membrane goes bursting, ultimately ridding the body of the bacteria. Now, Keflexin is so important because some people's bodies do not have the defenses to fight or regulate the infectious bacteria. So that's where Keflexin comes in, and it helps to fight the infections that could lead you to the downward direction.
Hello, my name is David Gutierrez, and I am here to introduce to you the brand new hydrogen bomb kit. You're probably asking yourself, why would I ever need a hydrogen bomb? Well, is there a person in your life that you wish would disappear, expire, or cease to exist? Maybe even a couple of people, or maybe even a couple hundred? Well, with the hydrogen bomb, you can make those people disappear, clean off the face of the earth. Now you're probably asking yourself, wait a minute, isn't this considered murder? Well, don't consider it murder, but consider it as making your problems disappear in a blink of an eye. You're probably asking yourself, how does this work? Well, in the hydrogen bomb, there is a fusion bomb, also known as the primary, which releases large amounts of radiation and neutrons. The neutrons then mix with the lithium inside the thermonuclear part or the secondary part of the hydrogen bomb. This process then creates tritium and helium. The chemical reaction happening inside the bomb is the lithium and the neutrons mixing together and then having a final result of helium and thorium. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, this looks really complicated and hard to comprehend. How would a simple person like me understand all of this? Well, with the hydrogen bomb and its easy to read and easy to follow instructions, you'll be making hydrogen bombs left and right. So call now. Operators are standing by. Order as many as you want and get free shipping and handling. Or else the wolves will get you.
Let's be careful, but let's get it done. Are you guys ready? Ready!